Hey everyone, Thomas here. Today I want to show you how to make edits to an existing UPA, or assessment, or quiz, or whatever you want to call it. In this case, Olivia is asking me to remove the option of D for the answer. Sometimes it's changing the verbiage of the answers, or adding questions, or removing questions, but here I'm removing option D as a possible answer for a particular question. So this is a checked in and published existing UPA. It's already on the server. So the link is live. So I can download this, update this, and then it will appear in whatever lessons she has linking to this UPA. First thing I got to do is find it and download it. So if you don't have these locally saved, or you want to make sure you have the most up-to-date version according to the server, you just need to look it up. So this looks like PB Coder Assessment. So I just will go to the search bar and Uperform and type in PB Coder to try to find that UPA. And here's the folder, and it says this kind of looks like it's it. So I would go down to the bottom and I would click the download action and save it. And this will allow me to edit the UPA locally and then check it in and overwrite that version. All right, so I downloaded it, opened it up. I have the editor open here, and now I just need to find this question. What actions can you take on a claim, blah, blah, blah. And I am just now looking through each question, trying to find it. Here is the text of the question. I'm looking for those keywords of what actions can you take. Here we go. What actions can you take on a claim using a follow-up activity? She says that currently it says choose all. Oh no, that's part of it. Update the NDC information. Update the NDC information. So I need to delete this. So all I'm going to do is delete that question. A and B are the multiple select options that need to stay. I just needed to remove option D as an option. If you're ever wondering, well, what does that look like? Did I actually fix it? You can go to the preview tab right here and double check. As you can see, there is no option D. And if I check A and B and click continue, I got it right. So that fixed it. So now all I have to do is make sure to file save. And then I need to check it in. I'm gonna check in current. So saving overwrites the local file. Checking in overwrites the server file. So I'm gonna click OK, and now that's gonna update on the server. Check in complete. Great. Now, if I already have it open on the server, that's great. I can just refresh, and I see now there is a version 2. It is not published, and you can see even here, not published. All I got to do is do the drop down and publish, and now it's updated. If you did not already have this screen open, maybe you downloaded it and closed it, and you want to be able to quickly jump there, while you're still in the editor, you can go to View, Library, and this will open up this exact screen. Actually, one screen before it. You still have to open the translation. Now you're on the exact same screen, and then you can publish and do whatever you need to do. If you had not already shared the package for this UPA so that it can be uploaded to the LMS, for instance, you can do this drop down and get package, and this produces a zip file. This is what you would send to the LMS team for upload. And that is all there is to editing an existing UPA. You download it, you open it, you edit it, you check it back in, and if needed, you share the package. All right, thanks for watching, guys.